The M113 is the best engine Mercedes ever produced. Why? Because it's been used longer and more models than any other engine. It has lasted from late 99 to approximately 2006 in most of their makes and models. This V8 not only proved itself to be of high quality, it's easy to maintain, it produces good power in its naturally aspirated form, it's reliable. You see, Mercedes no longer makes reliable engines. Everything twin turbo is prone to failure, more expensive to maintain, and will not last as long as these motors. These motors last 400,000 miles, no problem. If you do the simple oil changes, if you do the valve cover gaskets, these motors will love you. Every now and then a coil pack goes out. Spark plugs, that's regular maintenance. This is what engines used to be. No longer are they built like this. If you can buy you a V8, an M113, that's the SL, the CLS, the CL, the C-Class, the S-Class. Did I say the E-Class? Did I say the ML? You see, these are makes and models that carry this engine. And this engine has proven to be the best engine that Mercedes ever produced. And that's the M113 in its naturally aspirated form. Add a supercharger to this bad boy, and you almost have 500 horsepower. It goes from approximately 300 horsepower to 500 horsepower just by adding a supercharge. Again, a variant of the M113 is called an M113K. The very best motor, pound for pound, dollar per dollar, that is the best motor that you can buy from Mercedes when it comes to power, longevity, durability, quality, easy maintenance. Come on, y'all. Don't get caught up in the new. New is not always best. Old is gold. I'm telling you, old is gold. When it comes to these Mercedes, man, do your research. There's way too much information out here to be ignorant. You can Google it. You can ask Siri. You can do whatever you got to do. Alexa, find out before you buy. Find out before you pay out, okay? Old is gold, baby. Old is gold.